Everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on project 100. We're gonna get this done. I grabbed another one of those plastic bags and it had a bunch of full sheets, partial sheets. Let's see if we can make a few page kits with this. With the last time, I think we're pretty close. I think we're at like 57 page kits. So if we can do like 5 maybe this time, we'll be at 60. And if we keep doing that, we're gonna make it at the 100. And as soon as we hit the 100, then I'm gonna work hard at adding embellishments, and then we'll add photos. We're gonna get the whole kit and caboodle done. And I'm going to try and bring, do I want to be ambitious and say 50 page kits with me? Double what I did last time? Ooh, can you imagine? That would be awesome. I think if I have everything done, like if I, have my digital cuts or prints cut out, and if I have my photos in there, my journaling, if I can figure out the title, then I just sit down and just, give her. And get those pages like boom, boom, boom. Done, done, done. I think I'm going to put those black frames with this. I think that would look cool. So we're going to call that page number 1. And then this here, do we want to do some purples maybe? Purple. Oh, look at that. It's just a little piece, but maybe I can make it work. Maybe we can find more purple here. And I don't mind page kits that only have a little bit like that. Then you don't have to wonder how things are going to go. You have a few things, you slap it on a layout, and you're done. Ooh, look at that. Let's cut this here and put that on there. It's purple. There we go. This one has, I think it's more like dark blue, but where this has purple on there, you know what? I think I want to use this on another page too. Let's just take a sliver, and I'm okay with that. A sliver, keep this for another layout. Let's see. Do we want to, there's a pale pink here. Hello, it works. Let's do that. That's page number 2. Let's bring some recipe cards up front here so I don't have to keep reaching. So that's 2. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Let's see if we can get these working together. And if I can't, some of those, I'll just put it away. But for now, let's pull all this out and see if we can make this work. This is more like a, well, I'll put it there and see. And then whatever I can't make work, it can work on another layout for sure. This is pretty. I love this side and I love that side too. Okay. Next page kits problems. Well, not problems, but okay, I don't like that pink with that. This is more like a red. So let's concentrate on the reddish pink. That. Okay, so I like that. This is all the same pattern, so let's go. I'm going to put black in there and then a light pink. Oh, look at that. Okay, the only one that really clashes is this, bright pink. So I'm going to put this together. What about this little guy. Would that make a nice background? Little leery because it does have some patterns on it, but it's very subtle. So I think it'll work. That kind of clashes. So we'll say this is another page kit. So we're up to 3. I should have put a timer because that worked well. I knew, okay, you're at 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a good amount of time, you know, for putting page kits together. And then I can say, okay, now I can kind of move on to something else, right? Okay, I like those together. I think they're kind of like the same collection. So let's put all this together and see. I've already made a page using these, and I really like the page. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. See if we can find a background for this. Been successful for these other ones, so you know what? I think I'd like it on that. I think I'd like it on that. Let's do that. So is that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. That is 4. I saw, like, I like this right here. We got the soft pinks and we got some brown. I kind of like that. Let me see what's on the back side of this. No, maybe this. There's bigger ones of this, so I like that. And then we have this solid brown, and that's the same peachy pink as this, so I like that. I think I would, you know, use a bigger piece of this and then smaller pieces of this. So let's put all this together. I kind of like that. Goes with it. You know, I can use it to mat my photos. Now, do I want to put it on a pink background? Or, you know, I just did wood grain over there. Ooh. Let me see here. Let me think this through. Do I want to put these guys on this? And then this on here? I don't know. Let me move that back. This is kind of dark. So I'm trying to see if this will be okay. But you know what? I think I can use this big thing here, the cardstock. I think I'm going to leave it the way it was. So there you go. There's another one. At the end, we'll count because, you know, already, I know it's only been a few seconds, but I already forgot how many page kits I've put together. I've just done so many of these in a row that the brain forgets. So we'll just count at the end, and then we'll write it on the sheet. Let's do that. This pink, not pink, black. Yeah, there is pink. Pink, yellow, and black. And then I can either find a medium yellow for that, or maybe, no, not a gray. What about this? Because there's polka dot, blue polka dot flowers in the center of those. I think that'll work. I'm trying to expand there, not to stay, you know, like one color, 2 colors, you know, broaden your horizon a little bit. Try to use up a little bit more. I like that, but I don't know if I have enough. Now, the last one I did, I really hit the jackpot with that, you know, set, because I ended up making 7 page kits really quickly. So that was good. Love that when I grab a set and I end up with so many page kits. See, there was white in here that I could use as background. Is there any of those that I think most of them I had backgrounds for. It's very limited. Yeah, they all have backgrounds, I think. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can make one more. One more. We're going to try. If I can't, if I find that I can't put enough patterns together, then we'll call it good. I mean, this was a good, you know, if it was a haul, a good haul. Because we got a good amount of things put together here. Oh, look at that. That'll work. That'll work. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 patterns. Oh, what about on this? This would give me a background. These papers I've had forever. So, you know, let's use them. I kind of like that. So there you go. And I think I kind of had, once I start having a little bit of trouble, it's like, I'm having trouble putting stuff together. It's time to move on. Like, it's time to say, okay, I need to pull something else out and try to put with this. As I'm saying that, I'm pulling out another one. I just saw these two and I'm like, that's kind of cute. And then I remembered that I had that yellow pattern and I can maybe use this as just kind of a layer. Well, look at that. We pulled another one out of her hat. We pulled a rabbit out of her hat. Okay, so let me put this aside and we're going to count how many page kits we got out of this. I feel like it's a lot. I feel like it's a lot. So there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. Wow. There's 7. And there's 8. That's awesome. So let's do this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like to do little things of 5 because then we can quickly add them up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, that's 60, is it? No, that's 70. Yeah, that's 70. And then there's 10 there. And so that's 80. So I think I put 10 together. So we'll say 70. So we're up to 70. Yay. So 30 more to go. 30 more to go. And then we'll start putting embellishments. I'm telling you, I'm going to get those 100. And my goal, this is what my goal is, peeps. 100 pages that I have, not only the papers, that I have embellishments, that I have the journaling done. Well, first I'd have to put the pictures. So there's pictures done. Then I have the journaling done. That even if I don't cut out the digital prints, I was thinking last time, I think I said to cut out the digital prints, but here's my thinking. When I take out a new kit and I have to cut out the digital prints, it gives my brain that 10-minute break before I move on to the next layout. So I think that's a good thing. But if I have the pictures and I have the journaling, let's figure out the title even, and if I can cut out the letters and put them on wax paper. And then if I can get that done early enough, can you imagine? I'm big with my scrap-a-thons and my virtual crop. I issue a lot of challenges. If I could assign a challenge to a lot of those, and when I pull it out, it's like, hey, this is your challenge. You have to do this. No thinking. You just do it. So I think that's going to be, let's write this down. So we have the papers, then we'll have embellishments, and then we can, you know, tick off. Once we get the 100 kits that it's all pattern papers, we can do this. Once we've added all the embellishments, we can do this. Then we'll say, we'll add photos to all 100 kits. Then we can do that. Then add journaling. Then add title. We can maybe do that at the same time. And then put letters on wax paper. Ooh. The reason I say ooh for that is because I've noticed that if I put stuff on wax paper and if it stays there too long, I can't get it off. So if I put my letters on wax paper, that's not going to work because they won't be able to get off. So I'll just have to, you know, figure out the title. So add title, like what is your title? And then add it to the journaling card, like maybe at the top. And maybe figure out, you know, what letters. So if I know that I want typewriter, you know, white text in purple, write it down here. And then I'll be bringing all my letters with me. And then I can just kind of treat it the same as the digital files. When I cut those out, I cut out my title and I'm done. And then I start the layout. Oh, I'm so glad that I kind of have a direction how I want to go with this. I'm going to write it again because that's kind of messy. But I have a direction for Project 100. And if I think of other stuff that I want to do, I'm going to write it down on here. Oh, add challenge. See? Add a challenge. Or a sketch. If I could have that done before I go on my weekend away, boom, I would have, I might be able to reach that 50 pages. What do you think? I think I have a plan here. But that's it. That's going to complete it for today. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.